Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone security settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply change your Xhide password on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your file manager. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on browse. Then you have Xhide right here. Go ahead and click on that. Then enter your lock security pattern and it will take you to your Xhide account right here, where you hide your pictures, videos, apps, recording, and documents. How do you change your password? Go ahead and click on this setting icon right here. Go ahead and click on change safety password. Then currently I'm using pattern as my safety password. I can decide to change to numeric password or alphabetical password. If I want to switch to numeric password, I'll make sure I click on here. Once I click on that, I will go ahead and hit and confirm. Then enter your numeric password number right here. So after entering your numeric password, remember the password should be something you will always remember. After entering your password, click on confirm and your Xhide password will be successfully changed. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Android device, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.